With a vision to uplift the region in educational sector, to safeguard and represent the people of Angjokpani areas bordering with Nagaon districts, Karbi Students Association formed its branch at Angjokpani on Saturday. Karbi Anglong is one of the poorest performing districts in terms of education in the state. Likewise, Sochengdhenta constituency could be seen as one of the poorest functioning constituency in the field of education throughout the district. It was reported that the area consists of 4 LP schools and 1 ME school. But it was shocking to learn that despite having several representatives since the establishment of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, not even a single HSLC and HSSLC examination centers could be found in the entire district. Karbi Students Association, therefore, keeping in view of the current scenario at Sochengdhenta constituency, Bokajan Regional Committee, under the supervision of KSA Central Executive Committee, took the initiative of forming KSA branch at Angjokpani on 9 July. It was unanimously approved that Uttam Teron to be their first president and Deep Teron as their first secretary of the branch. In order to grace the occasion, Thangsing Timung, President KSA, CEC Raju Inti, AGS CEC, George Timung, CEC in charge Organizing Secretary, Bokajan Regional Committee, Nobin Rongpi, Secretary BRC, Pinpo Teron, Dipu Head Branch, Gojen Teron, Hidilangso Branch. Village headmen of the neighboring villages attended the event. The branch formation was done successful and concluded peacefully. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.